Angeline.
Angie,
Mm-hmm.
Christopher. Cheers for a lovely night. If the rum don't kill us, I tell you, say, yo, it thick as thick in a dog. I tell you, say, yo, we have a drink and you let me have too many shots, brother.
Yeah, we're late, you know.
What time flight?
6:45.
6:45. What babes? Look.
You have a girlfriend? I meant to ask.
When me go over, me go send you something so we can cover some of the bills then.
We live overseas, man. We have nothing to worry about.
No, you tell life from a virgin.
Each time he comes with arguments or talking about his friends tell him this, friends tell him that.
Angie, man, no, man, I can't do that, man.
What happened? Look, like what you mean me can't do that? Are you ashamed of me?
Remember, say me they tell us, say me have a woman a foreign, you know?
You tell me say I have a woman or whatever. When they did arch me back, when they did squeeze me side and arch me back, you never remember say I have a woman a foreign.
And 6 months done before you quit. Me soon come back.
Alright.
And me go miss you too.
Me I go miss it too, and me I go wall out, me I make sure I say. Brother, if me did listen to your dog, you come like say if me did listen to your dog, yo, go up a station and go file one report, brother. I mean, not want to go on station, no, dog, because we don't go up the center, man. The people ain't going like say, I saw little kiss-ass business, you know.
You are one. We get locked up. We dey up at the return station. Don't link me. We can't talk too long. Send me the girl name, last name, and location, and one picture out.
She left all one note, brother, I go tell me say she have one key for the house, brother. The girl go behind my back and go cut one key for the house, man.
Yo, bro. Warn you about that girl from the beginning, man.
What you mean me make a back a nice? With all what? With all the bangings, then if you are bang me so you know my situation me I gonna make nice.
You're absolutely mad. You're absolutely after you're there up and down with this girl, God, you knows how much time you and her do things.
I know you'd have second thoughts whether or not you want to continue that relationship with Miss Lady.